everybody, welcome back to Daniel Kitchen's channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a GAN 16 Rubik's Cube. And it's a 3x3. Let's check it out. It's very nice when it unboxes like this. Let's check it out. It has a special button over here. You just click it and it goes up. So let's first check out the turning. Very smooth right out of the box. So let's make a solve. Okay. Oh no, I messed up to a foul. Right. Still good. No. Guys, I messed up. It's bad. I got a 36.416. That's a little good, but also bad. I mean, I'm usually like in the 30s and 40s range, also sometimes 20. So let's try to break this apart. Oh, very hard. I don't know if I want to break this apart. It's very hard. So I'm not going to because it's going to be very hard to put back together. So let's move on. So let's check how it could corner flip. Pretty good corner flip. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's move on to let's check out these, how is it called? The accessories. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's just dump everything out. These are the instructions. Let's put these aside. This is a cube mat. So you could just put your cube in here and just walk with it like this. Or if you don't want this mat, you could just leave it in this box and you could just put this cube in this thing and just close it and then put it in the box and all that stuff. And this is a thing where it pulls the center out. So you put it in the center, press the button, a little harder. Nope. Something's not working. Oh. Okay. Wait for a second. Okay, let's try it out. Got the center out. See, guys? Let's get all the center out and we'll show you guys how it looks like at the end. So guys, these are all the very nice colorful center caps. The white one has the logo. And this is how the cube looks like. Very funny, right? So there's one more thing. So there's like this thing. So you put it in one of these, and you guys could see, like, there's gonna be an arrow. You could turn it. Let's see if it works. Turn it. And there will be different numbers. That's how strong it will be. I like to keep them all on 3 because 3 is the best number for me. So let's put it on 3. All of them are on 3 because they came out of the box with 3. Let's put the center caps in. Yellow, blue, green. Come on, green is hard. Come on, green, get in there. Okay, orange. Orange was pretty easy. White. White was also pretty easy. And red. Red was the easiest. So this is how you put these 3 pieces in. So first you take these 2, put this one in here, make sure it aligns. Oops. Then put this one on top of it and make sure it clicks. And now it will not fall apart. Let's put it back in its case. Okay. Come on. And let's put everything back. There's so much stuff. Let's put that aside. Okay. Let's put that aside. Now we have this bad boy. Let's put it back in the case. And now I'm gonna be giving comments about this. So I like it's very, very fast. Like, I mean very, very fast. You could do a sexy move very fast with it. And I like that I use this cube in competitions. So I like it cannot break apart. Because if I use some other cubes, those cubes could break apart. So I like that this one could not break apart. I like that it cannot corner flip so easily, so I won't have to corner flip it at the end. Yeah, those are my comments about this cube. And now let's try to beat our record on this cube. Let's scramble it. I like to scramble it. So you hold the thumb on one corner, the middle finger on the other, and then you just, with the other fingers, just move it. It's very cool. Okay. Let's see if we could beat our record. 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. Let's do it. Guys, I got a 32.049. So my best solve in my whole entire life was 5 seconds. That's crazy for me. So 32 is like how I get on average, because my average about 30 to 40 seconds. My best average in my competition was a few weeks ago, about like 1 or 2. It was 33 seconds, and my best solve in those 33 average was 24.871. And I've been to 3 competitions. Four. 4, 1 in October, 1 in February, and 2 in March. And let's put this guy back in here. And thanks, guys, for watching this YouTube video. Please like and subscribe, please. I'm just a beginner at YouTube. Please like and subscribe, okay? Bye-bye, everybody.